Say hi.
7.
Tita. Hi.
Sa vlog na naman tayo. Sa vlog na naman tayo.
Atam na eh. Hey.
I stretch my hands out to the sky. We dance with monsters through the night. Whoa, I'm never gonna look back. Whoa, I'm never gonna give it up. No, please don't wake me now. 2, 3, 4. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life.
Ang ganda, Riz House.
Dito tayo sa farm. Dito tayo sa farm.
Tapos naman yung shoot pa nila. Kaya pa dyan.
Say hi.
Bahay pala.
Tito mo. Sinong tito yun?
Iba yata yung tito mo.
Iba ata yun ah.
Guys, mag-hi kayo. Welcome.
Hello, guys.
Hello guys. Welcome to San Jose. San. Hindi pa kaya.
Wala pa.
Wala. Hindi, ano yan? Private one. Private CR.
Picture muna tayo.
Ay, lahat naman.
Hello.
Alam mo
Talaga magpaparami.
Tawa na.
Probinsya.
Hi! Hi! April eh. Hi!
Uy, doon na doon sa harapan. Yung mga magbe-blessing na eh.
Hindi pala sama ko sa harapan.
Dapat pala tita, lagi ka may tripod.
Kaya nga, meron akong tripod.
On the spot.
Nakakalimutan
Tita
ko
ka pala,
pala.
Mary Rose. Ha? Tita ka pala?
What's up?
Mga shout out. Ano yun?
Sabi niyo, what's out?
Ay, ganun ba?
Yung kaskate. Lipat na yung kaskate.
Time stood still, just like a photograph. You made me feel like this will last forever. I see my whole life. Oh, they say you know it, but you know it, I don't know.
Gutom na ang tent.
Yan niya yun.
Lakas na.
Dahil gutom pa siya.
Wow.
All this time I've wasted. You were right there all along. You and I start gazing, intertwining souls. We were never strangers. You were right there.
Hindi naman siya mainit na yun.
Kanya eh, napakalamig eh.
Uy!
When I'm without you, I can't help but feel
so Lord, I wanna give you all I've got. Oh, they say you know it.
Ng The Boys. Ay, mga bagets. Ang ganda ba?
Lucky 31 from Taguig City. Naniniwala ako pag naniwala kayo.
둥글게 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 빙글빙글 돌아
First time you held my hand, I felt the earth stand still. A thrill. Wait a little while from now, if I'm not feeling any less sound, I promise myself to treat myself and visit a nearby town. Climbing to the top, will throw myself up in an effort to make clear to whoever what it's like when you're shattered, left standing in the lurch of a job where people saying, "My God, that's tough." She stood him up. No point in us remaining. We may as well go home, 'cause I did on my own.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might wanna sing it. No, don't worry. Be happy.
Nanap niya silang
Ano pag may kamat?
Galit niya sa...
Is nalasing siya. Mamaya sabi niyo kantin niya, animal ka man, ampoy ka rin. Ayun,
Madi kami nakakaga.
aling mo ng bakla.
In our life,
Ay, balikan ka na lang namin. Bye, ma.
Dito ka tayo.
Asan ba?
Advance happy Christmas.
Ano mo na?
Apple na.
Ang bait naman.
Apple na po.
but don't worry. In our life, we have some trouble.